Do you want to know how you can disable or remove QuillBot from Google Docs? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove QuillBot from Google Docs. So go ahead and open any type of browser on your PC and go to Google Docs. You can see that QuillBot is currently enabled. To disable it, you can go to QuillBot's icon over here, click on Settings, and you can see Pause extension for docs.google.com for this session. You can see that you can enable or disable this, or if you simply click on Turn it off, you can see now QuillBot has been turned off completely for Google Docs. But it is still there, you can click on it. As you can see that it is currently disabled. You can enable it by going on here, or you can simply click on this extension over here and you can see that you can enable it or disable it by doing this as well. Or else you can go to extension, click on the extension over here and click on remove from as. This way it will be totally removed from your extension bar and it works for Google Docs as well. So guys, this is how you remove QuillBot from Google Docs. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.